Time to find out if my powers work in this astral world. Whew, too close.
Is the Thundranium cannon ready, Vulture Man?
Ready and loaded with Thundranium shells, the only material on Third Earth that's known to weaken those blasted Thundercats.
Only when you surrender all your knowledge to me will I consider the possibility of your freedom, Jaga.
Never.
Brave words, feeble fool. But I, 𝐓𝐿, have all eternity to change your mind. And Jaga, you can be sure I will change your mind!
Not if I have anything to do with it!
The Eye of Thundera, Lion-O, use its power!
Who are you?
My name is Brodo. Many centuries ago, I was the most powerful magician on Third Earth. But my wizardry threatened Mumm-Ra's evil dominion. He tricked me, and I have been here in the Astral Prison ever since.
Come on, let's get out of here before 𝐓𝐿 rallies his forces.